here to power the scan doubler. Made a ATX power supply from an old cable I bought. It seems to be a bit more stable. So the power comes in, goes into the power supply, and then it goes out to feed my block here, and then this one feeds the monitor, and this one feeds the speakers. So it's all on a single switch on the back, and that cuts power to everything. So various controls here to set the screen up so you can make it full width. Got loads of games, originals. Got 3 double gang boxes with silver visors. I've got a mixture of HD and DD floppies as well. And some keys to lock the box. There, these are all blanks, and obviously most of these now are empty because obviously all the discs are there. So you've got lots of compact flash discs with lots of cap software on there. Actually got a compact flash adapter there. This does have the ACA 1221 with the MAPRON enabled, the 50 megahertz processor, and the 64 megabytes of RAM. Any questions, please ask.